It's another beautiful evening. Enjoying nature. Look at this scenery. It's beautiful. One thing I have learned: enjoy life, enjoy nature. The sun is shining, at least through the trees.